Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm going to draw an apple. Let's start from here. This is the nice curved line. Now we will go for the main shape of the apple. Let's draw a line like this. We draw the line all the way down here and make a connection like this. We'll put a leaf here. It will be like this. And the leaf here will be like this. And let's connect it here. All right, these are the few details of the leaves. Now we'll put the red color at the border for the apple like this. The darker shade to the outside and lighter shade towards the center. Also, we put the darker shade to the outer skirts of the drawing like this. It's a ripe apple we see here. Then I draw the lighter shade to the center. Let's put an uniform shape like this. All right, let's put little green here and the green to the leaves. All right, so this is the drawing of an apple. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.